The Chausson P.E.R.L.E, Projet d'étude et de recherche d'une ligne européenne, remains one of the most unusual and little-known French concept cars of the late 1980s. Developed by Chausson Ingénierie Carrosserie Automobile, it was conceived as a strategic demonstration of the company's ability not only to manufacture bodies and buses, but to design, engineer, and industrialize a complete vehicle. For a firm best known for radiators, bus bodies, and subcontracted production for Renault, Peugeot, and Citroën, the creation of a full concept car represented a major first. Work on P.E.R.L.E unfolded in two stages. A non-functional scale model debuted at the 1987 Frankfurt Motor Show, outlining the vehicle's general silhouette. For the 1989 Geneva Motor Show, Chausson produced a full-size prototype equipped with mechanical components, interior trim, and functional systems. Although the model used a Renault engine, sources note either the Renault 11 four-cylinder or a 1.7-liter unit from the Renault 19, the vehicle was otherwise entirely engineered in-house. The objective was clear: capture the attention of major European manufacturers and secure new contracts at a time when competitors such as Huilias, Durasati, and Gruot were dominating the coach-building market. The P.E.R.L.E was a compact people carrier, 4.5 meters long and 1.7 meters wide, notable for its large glass surfaces and panoramic visibility. Its streamlined shape incorporated a vast windscreen, sliding side doors that opened forward, and an interior seating layout with 3 seats across, recalling Matra's Bagheera and Morena. The dashboard extended from the center console and carried a distinctive single-spoke steering wheel. Chausson presented the vehicle as technically viable, not merely a styling exercise. The prototype featured ABS, power steering, an automatic gearbox, active and passive safety concepts, a hinged windscreen for direct engine access, and a removable dashboard module integrating heating and air conditioning systems. P.E.R.L.E made a brief appearance in Wim Wenders' Until the End of the World, 1991, but public exposure ended soon after. During the 1990s, Chausson entered a period of severe financial decline, culminating in bankruptcy in 1993 and factory closures by 2000. The reasons behind the prototype's later presence in Renault's Flins collection remain uncertain, possibly inheritance after Chausson's collapse, a sale, or a donation. Today, the 1989 Chausson P.E.R.L.E survives as a non-running prototype. Though it never reached production, it stands as the company's most ambitious design effort and a rare testament to late 1980s French experimental automotive engineering.